So what is the freelancer lifestyle? It frankly could be a wide range of lifestyles. There are some freelancers who are extraordinarily disciplined, have sound business approaches. They work 9 to 5 essentially. They don't work evenings. They don't take calls on weekends. They have very set vacations. That's the exception. Most people are not quite that lucky. There's the other extreme where someone feels like they're on call at all times of the day, working 20 hours a day, weekends, never really having enough money to pay even last month's rent, always behind, always scrambling, always nervous and feeling fearful over the fact they didn't pay last quarter's taxes. That's a particular lifestyle as well for many freelancers. You have to choose which one you're going to live. This course is about teaching you how to have the lifestyle you want, how to create services and products for your clients that will make you feel good about it and your clients, and to have the lifestyle that you want, where you have the free time you want, the work conditions you want, and the income that you want.